illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a watermelon character. So go ahead and get your drawing materials together and we'll get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our watermelon character. The first thing we want to do is draw a slightly angled straight line, and this will serve as the top of our watermelon character. And from here we're going to make a really large letter U, or like an upside down rainbow shape, connecting that first mark to the last. Now whenever you slice watermelon, it has like a rind, almost like a pizza crust. So we're going to draw a second curve inside of that first one here. Now for our watermelon character's face, we're going to use two ovals for the eyes. So we'll come here in the center. This is like the red part of the fruit, and this will be like that green rind area. So we're going to come in here in the center and do two ovals. 1 and 2. And we'll add two pupils inside of here. 1 and 2. And we're definitely going to make this watermelon a happy watermelon character. We're also going to make it running. So we're going to start with a big open mouth smile. So to do that, we'll start with a regular smile and then we'll build on it to make it really big and open. We'll add a little tongue here. And then you can fill in this part of the mouth if you'd like. Do a couple detail lines here, little accent mark there. And we're gonna add the eyebrows on, and I love when cartoons have eyebrows that lift actually off of their bodies or their frames. So we'll do two eyebrows here, lifting off of our character. And for the arms and the legs, again, we're going to make this guy running. So we're going to make some zigzag shapes for the arms and little ovals for the hands. And then this arm will zigzag the other way. And the legs are going to be running, so this one will be curved back like this, little foot. And the front leading leg, little foot there. Now to emphasize the fact that this character is running, we want to add a few action lines. And this will make it seem like our watermelon is running super fast. And you can do a little shadow underneath. So it's like this guy's running so fast he is leaping completely off the ground. Alright illustrators, there we have the outline of our watermelon character. The next step that we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and grab your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. right, illustrators, there we have our watermelon characters. The very last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Fantastic job today, illustrators! I hope that you all enjoyed drawing your watermelon characters, and I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!